Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today let us we discuss about our new chapter fraction. What is the meaning of fraction? Just I want to give one example to you. Suppose this is one circle, okay, and this circle divided into four equal part. Now in this four equal part only one part is shading. In this four equal part only one part is shading and other three parts are not shading. So I have one question. In this four equal part only one part is shading. So the meaning is fractional part of shading portion. Fractional part of shading portion in this figure equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Why we are taking here 1? The meaning is, let us we discuss about only shading portion. Only one part is shading portion. So fractional part of shading portion is 1 upon 4 and fractional part of unshaded portion. Unshaded portion means which portion is not shaded. The portion which is not shaded. So in this figure as you are looking only three parts are not shading. So fractional part of unshaded portion is 3 upon 4. Okay, as you know very well, in this example 1 is whole number, 4 is whole number. Now 3 is whole number and 4 is whole number. And you know very well whole numbers are always positive. So what is the meaning of fraction? Fraction is the part of a whole. Fraction is the part of a whole. Or the second definition is fraction is the ratio of two natural number. Fraction is the ratio of two natural numbers. Okay, as you know my dear students, natural numbers are always positive. Natural numbers would not be negative. The meaning is fraction is always positive. Fraction could not be negative. Okay, fraction will be always positive. Fraction could not be negative in any condition. Now let us we discuss about there are different types of fraction. So according to your course, your first fraction is unit fraction. What is the meaning of unit fraction? Now look here. Definition is a fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. A fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Now just I want to give what is the meaning of numerator. Suppose in this example, in these three examples, suppose I took 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8. So which number is upper side? 1. So 1 is numerator. And which number is lower side? This is 8. So 8 is denominator. The meaning is upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator. Okay, upper number is numerator. In any fraction upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator. So unit fraction is a fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. As you are looking, there are three examples: 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 8. In these three examples, what you are looking, 1 is in numerator. 1 is in numerator. This is 1 is numerator. Now in third example, 1 is in numerator. Okay. So this is the example of unit fraction. Now today let us we discuss about like fraction. Like fraction is fraction that have the same denominator are called like fraction. Fraction that have the same denominator are called like fraction. As you are looking in these three examples, 2 upon 13, 7 upon 13 and 1 upon 13. Denominators are same, that is 13. So these three examples belong to like fraction. Okay. Just let us we discuss about other type of fraction, unlike fraction. What is the meaning of unlike fraction? Definition is fraction that have different denominator are called unlike fraction. Now let us we discuss about example of unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Fraction that have different denominator are called unlike fraction. In these three examples, what you are looking, denominators are 3. In first fraction denominator is 3, second fraction denominator is 8, third fraction denominator is 9. So in these three fractions denominators are different. So all these three examples belongs to unlike fraction. Okay. Now your next fraction is proper fraction. Your next fraction is proper fraction. A fraction having the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. A fraction having the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. As you are looking in these three examples, let us we discuss about first example, 7 upon 8. 7 is in numerator, 8 is in denominator. In this fraction, numerator is less than denominator. As you know very well, 7 is less than 8. In second example, 9 upon 10. 9 is less than 10. Okay. This is the example of proper fraction. In other example, 11 upon 13. In this example, 11 is less than 13. 11 is less than 13. Okay. So all these three examples belongs to proper fraction. In proper fraction, please remember, numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than always denominator. Okay. Now let us we discuss about improper fraction. You know very well what is the meaning of improper fraction. This fraction just opposite of proper fraction. A fraction having the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. A fraction having the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. as you are looking in fraction 12 upon 7. 12 is greater than 7. Okay, it is example of improper fraction. In 5 upon 4, 5 is greater than 4. In fraction 14 upon 11, 14 is greater than 11. So all these three examples belongs to improper fraction, and as you are looking in these three examples, in these three fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, now let us discuss about mixed fraction. What is the meaning of mixed fraction? It is mixed fraction, it is clear with name. Mix means a fraction is combination of a whole number. Combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is a mixed fraction. Okay, a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is a mixed fraction. Now let us discuss about some example of mixed fraction. Suppose mixed fraction is combination of whole number. As you are looking in this example, 2 1 upon 4, 2 is whole number. 2 is whole number and 1 upon 4 is proper fraction. Okay, 2 is whole number and 1 upon 4 is proper fraction. So combination of whole number and a proper fraction, it will give to you mixed fraction. Just I want to give one more example to you. In the 3 2 upon 7, in this fraction 3 is whole number. 3 is whole number and 2 upon 7 is proper fraction. So this is the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So this is the example of mixed fraction. Just I want to give one more example. Suppose this is 5. 5 is whole number and what is the proper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. So numerator is 2 and denominator is, you take any one number, 3. 5 2 upon 3. It is the combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So this is the example of mixed fraction. So my dear students, all these are types of fraction. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.